Alright, so there's the 5-ton defrosting. Man, that steam show was incredible. Almost better than the steam show that I got from the Kaylee this morning. And if you remember yesterday when I asked, does this thing have a bad defrost board? The answer is clearly no, because you just got this big steam show from it right now. Man, that was incredible. This one's frozen up again. I think this train, sorry. This train's frozen too. That is. And the mirror starts running. It's okay. Yeah. That train's really frozen. Even though I just got it this morning, do you still want me to get that defrosting now? I'll get it. And if you guys don't like it, then it's fine. Yeah. I don't know who wouldn't like this 5-ton defrost. That was incredible. Yeah. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I guess out.